Sun's just gone over the horizon. I'm out here testing the camera, doing different flights and different camera settings. So when I get back and look at them on the computer, I can figure out what setting worked best and so on. So we'll just see what happens here. I might put everything up so you guys can just see all the differences. So I'm the only person here. The windsock is dead as a doornail. We're just going to take straight off. I've been doing close flying, far flying, all different kinds of settings, in the sun, not in the sun, cornholes, not cornholes, trying to figure out what works best. This camera will get us the best video quality that a camera on somebody's head can get. I just got to figure out how to set it up to do that. Kick the rudder, safe select goes on. Let's try that again. That was cool in slow motion right there. Then we'll try it again in where the sun just went over the horizon. Not quite dead on at me. All right, let's do it in over there where the sun just went over the horizon. So we'll go over like this, and then we'll go over like that, and we'll turn it around over there in Iowa somewhere. Haha, that's cool. It's kind of, you know, like barely hovering right there, and then you can kick it over. Let's try it again. We don't need to go all the way to Iowa to turn around. And then when you get done with the trick, you just turn on safe select and don't panic for a second, and let the plane level out and do what it does. I think it might be better with the sun to my back. Let's do a big loop where we can see it. Yeah, do a big loopy-loop. Loop-to-doos. kind of. Landing approach. Transmitter's starting to beep at me. 5-minute timer's up. Alright, let's park it. See if we can get the best landing I've had in a long time. Jinxed myself. See if we can get the worst landing I've ever had. So that's the ticket.